Welcome back to the show. Today we're talking about something that almost every English learner experiences. Listening to English and thinking, why are they speaking so fast?
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. You understand English when you read it, but when someone speaks naturally, suddenly everything sounds completely different.
Exactly. You look at a sentence in a book and think, that's easy. Then you hear the same sentence in a real conversation and you're like, wait, what did they just say?
And sometimes you play the same part again and again.
5 times.
Maybe 10 times.
And then you finally understand one word.
Exactly.
But if this happens to you, don't worry. It doesn't mean your English is bad.
Not at all. It means your listening skills need more practice with natural English.
And that's exactly what we're going to work on today.
Our topic is Master English Listening. Understand fast English without panic.
If you often struggle with movies, podcasts, YouTube videos, phone calls, or conversations with fluent English speakers, this episode is for you.
And we're going to make it practical, right?
Absolutely. We're not just going to talk about listening, we're going to learn how to practice listening.
That's important because many learners listen to English for hours but don't know how to practice effectively.
Exactly. Watching English for 2 hours doesn't always mean you're improving.
So it's not only about how much we listen.
Right. It's also about how we listen.
So where should we begin?
Let's begin with a simple question. Why does fast English sound so difficult?
I think one reason is that native speakers don't pronounce every word slowly and separately.
That's a very good point.
For example, learners may study the sentence, "What are you going to do?"
But in natural conversation, you may hear something closer to, "What are you going to do?"
Wow, that sounds very different.
It does.
And that's why beginners sometimes think, I know these words, but I don't recognize them when people speak.
Exactly.
So is the speaker really speaking too fast?
Sometimes yes, but often the problem isn't speed.
Then what is it?
It's connected speech, reduced sounds, unfamiliar pronunciation, and the fact that we're trying to understand every single word.
Ah, that last one is a big problem.
Very big.
Why?
Imagine someone says, I was actually thinking that maybe we could meet after work if you're free.
That's a fairly long sentence.
Yes, if you're trying to understand every word, you might get stuck on actually.
And while I'm thinking about that word, the speaker continues talking.
Exactly.
But what if you focus on the important words?
Meet, after work, free.
Then you understand the main message.
Exactly.
So one of our first rules should be don't try to catch every word.
Yes, listen for the meaning.
That already makes listening feel less stressful.
And that's the goal of today's episode. We want you to stop feeling afraid when English sounds fast.
We want you to think, I don't understand everything, but I can understand enough.
Exactly.
And we're also going to talk about how to use subtitles, how to repeat short conversations, how to practice with movies and podcasts, how to recognize connected speech, and how to build a simple daily listening routine.
Plus, we'll give you a 7-day listening challenge.
I like challenges.
I know you do. Let's do it. Let's start with connected speech because this is one of the biggest reasons English sounds fast.
What exactly is connected speech?
It's when words flow together in natural conversation instead of sounding like separate pieces.
Can we give some simple examples?
Sure, want to often sounds like wanna in casual speech.
Do you want to come with us?
Do you want to come with us?
That's much shorter.
Yes.
Another one.
Going to can sound like gonna.
I'm going to call you later.
I'm gonna call you later.
And have to can sound different too.
Yes, I have to leave now can sound much more connected in natural speech.
So English learners need to learn how words sound in real conversations, not only how they look in textbooks.
Exactly.
But should beginners immediately start using all these shortened forms?
Not necessarily. First, learn to recognize them.
Understand first, speak naturally later.
Exactly.
What is another problem?
Weak words.
Weak words?
Yes. In a sentence, some words are more important than others. Important words often receive more stress.
So we don't pronounce every word with the same strength.
Correct.
For example, I went to the supermarket yesterday.
The important words might be went, supermarket, and yesterday.
The smaller words can sound much softer.
Exactly.
So listening for key words is so important.
Let's practice that idea.
Okay.
Keywords. Sarah is meeting her friend at the train station at 6 o'clock.
Important words: Sarah, friend, train station, 6 o'clock.
Perfect.
I don't need to remember every word to understand the situation.
Exactly.
What about context?
Context is one of your best friends when listening.
How does it work?
Imagine you're at an airport. You hear someone say, "Your flight has been..."
Maybe delayed?
Exactly. You can guess because you know the situation.
So the situation gives us clues.
Yes.
What if we don't know a word?
Don't stop immediately.
Continue, even if it's an important word?
Keep listening. Sometimes the next sentence explains it.
That's true.
Imagine someone says, "I bought a new appliance yesterday. It's in my kitchen and it keeps food cold."
Even if I don't know appliance, I know they're talking about something in the kitchen that keeps food cold.
Exactly. You can understand the idea from context,
That's a useful skill.
and it's a skill you can develop.
I want to talk about translation because I think many learners do this.
You mean translating every sentence?
Yes, I hear English, then I translate it in my head, then I understand it.
That's normal when you're learning.
Concerned, but it makes listening slow.
Exactly.
So how can we stop?
Don't try to stop immediately. Start with very simple English.
Give us an example.
The dog is sleeping.
I should imagine a sleeping dog instead of translating the sentence.
Exactly.
The coffee is hot.
Imagine hot coffee.
I'm going home.
Imagine yourself going home.
So we're creating a direct connection between English and meaning.
Yes.
And with enough practice, your brain starts doing it automatically.
That's when listening becomes much easier. How to practice listening every day. Now let's talk about daily practice.
This is the part I think learners will love.
Why?
Because they don't need expensive courses or hours of free time.
Exactly.
You can improve your listening with 15 to 20 minutes a day. What should those 20 minutes look like?
Let's divide them into 4 simple steps.
I'm listening.
Step 1. Listen for 5 minutes without subtitles.
Don't worry if you miss things.
Just focus on the main idea.
Step 2.
Listen again with English subtitles.
Now I can see the words I missed.
Exactly.
Step 3.
Listen again without subtitles.
And hopefully I understand more than before.
Usually, yes.
And step 4.
Enthusiastically repeat 5 useful sentences aloud.
So we're listening and speaking at the same time.
Yes, your ears hear the sentence and your mouth practices the sentence.
That's a powerful combination.
It is. Practice with short clips.
What kind of content should learners use?
Start with short content.
Short?
Yes, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes can be enough.
Why not watch a whole movie?
You can watch movies for enjoyment, but for serious listening practice, a short clip is easier to repeat.
You can listen to the same sentence many times.
Exactly.
So repetition is important.
Very important.
First time, what did they say?
Second time, oh, I heard something.
Third time, now I understand.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to repeat the same audio.
Repetition isn't boring when it helps your brain learn.
A real-life situation. Let's imagine a real situation.
Okay,
You're at a coffee shop in another country.
sounds nice.
You're enjoying your coffee when the person at the counter asks, "Would you like anything else?"
I understand that.
Then they ask, "Would you like that for here or to go?"
Maybe a beginner doesn't understand for here or to go.
Right.
What should they do?
Don't panic.
Ask, sorry, could you repeat that?
Exactly.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Perfect.
And if they still don't understand?
Ask, "Do you mean I can drink it here?"
That's much better than staying silent.
Exactly. Listening and communication work together.
What if someone speaks too fast?
Then ask them to slow down.
Is that okay?
Of course.
What can we say?
"Could you speak a little more slowly, please?"
That's polite and useful.
Or, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
That's a very natural phrase.
Or, "Could you say that again?"
Simple and useful.
Remember, asking someone to repeat something is not a sign of weak English.
It's a communication skill.
Exactly. Build confidence and master fast English. Let's talk about confidence now.
Because listening can affect speaking confidence too.
Absolutely.
When you can't understand someone, you may become afraid to speak.
You might think, what if they say something and I don't understand?
Or what if I have to ask them to repeat it?
But those situations are normal.
Even fluent speakers sometimes ask people to repeat themselves.
Exactly.
Nobody understands every person all the time.
So don't expect yourself to understand every word.
Expect yourself to keep learning.
That's the better goal. 7-day listening challenge. Now, let's create a 7-day challenge for everyone listening.
I'm ready.
Day 1, listen to 5 minutes of easy English.
Focus only on the main idea.
Day 2, listen again and write down 5 words you recognize.
Don't worry about understanding everything.
Day 3, watch a short English video with English subtitles.
Notice how the spoken words connect with the written words.
Day 4, watch the same video without subtitles.
See how much more you understand.
Day 5, choose 5 sentences and repeat them aloud.
Copy the rhythm and natural pronunciation.
Day 6, listen to a different English speaker.
Maybe an interview, podcast, or conversation.
Exactly. Day 7, listen to a short conversation and explain what happened using your own English.
That's a great final challenge.
And remember, your answer doesn't have to be perfect.
The goal is understanding.
Final motivation. If fast English still feels difficult today, that's completely okay.
Your ears need time to become familiar with natural English.
Think about learning to recognize a friend's voice.
At first, you may not recognize someone in a crowded place.
But after hearing their voice many times, you recognize it immediately.
English listening works in a similar way.
The more you hear common words, phrases, sounds, and sentence patterns, the faster your brain recognizes them.
So every listening session is training.
Exactly.
10 minutes today is better than 0 minutes.
15 minutes tomorrow is better than waiting for the perfect time.
And 20 minutes every day can create a powerful habit.
Don't compare your listening skills with someone who has practiced English for 10 years.
Compare yourself with yesterday's version of you.
Maybe yesterday you understood 5 words.
Today, you understand 10.
That's progress.
Maybe yesterday you needed subtitles.
Today you understood a short conversation without them.
That's progress too.
Small improvements become big improvements over time.
You just have to keep going.
Comment, challenge, and ending. Before we finish today's episode, we have a question for you.
What is the hardest part of English listening for you?
Is it fast speakers?
Different accents?
Movies?
Podcasts?
Phone conversations?
Or understanding English without subtitles?
Tell us in the comments.
And write this sentence: I will improve my English listening every day.
Say it aloud with us.
I will improve my English listening every day.
Excellent.
Remember, you don't need perfect listening skills.
You need patience, practice, and consistency.
And don't panic when someone speaks quickly.
Listen for the key words.
Use the context.
Ask people to repeat themselves when necessary.
Use short English clips to practice.
And listen every single day. If today's episode was useful, please like this video.
Subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations, listening practice, speaking practice, vocabulary lessons, and motivational English content.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Remember, you don't have to understand everything today.
You only need to understand a little more than yesterday.
One word at a time.
One sentence at a time.
One conversation at a time.
And one day, the fast English that once sounded impossible
Will sound normal to you.
That's the goal.
Keep listening.
Keep learning.
Keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
And keep practicing your English.
Bye.